Hello, everyone. I'm Yusen Shen, the founder of BoardX. Time really flies. It's been 3 years since we started BoardX Inc. I want to spend some time to thank each of you. Many of you not only contributed time and energy to BoardX, but also some of you invested some personal savings to BoardX. I really appreciate that support. Without your support, we cannot get here.
3 years of innovation, 3 years of progress, and 3 years of collaboration. Hi, my name is Xiaodan, and I joined BoardX in November 2021. I was joined to BoardX by its vision of innovation and integrating the cutting-edge AI into decision-making. We have made significant progress, from developing the new strategies to implementing the new Board Plus AI feature. Each step is a testament to our resilience and creativity. Our hopes for the future are high as we envision the groundbreaking innovations and a growing community. Here's to many more years of innovation and success. Happy third anniversary, BoardX.
Hello, everyone. This is Stephen Zhang from New York State. It has been fantastic being part of the BoardX team during the past years. BoardX mission to drive innovation and collaboration through visualization and AI really inspired me. That's what made me want to join this vibrant community. I have mainly been involved in BoardX software development team. I have been improving the user interface and contributing to back-end proof concepts projects. I believe BoardX has the potential to become even more powerful and intuitive to use. I imagine BoardX becoming a robust platform that easily integrates the newest technologies to offer truly unique user experience. Working with a team that shares the same passion for BoardX mission has been incredibly enriching. Or collective work directly impacts the users who benefit from the software. Thank you.
Happy third anniversary, BoardX. My name is Romer Benitez, and I am a BoardX contributor. I am also serving as a nonprofit governing board member for West Michigan Asian American Association. A couple of years ago, I met Yusam Shen, BoardX's founder, and I was captivated by his mission of empowering communities through the facilitation of design thinking methodology and harnessing creativity through AI augmentation. We have a shared commitment to be a positive force in this age of technological revolution. I am looking forward to find and develop our synergy and to BoardX's continued success. Here's to many more years of impactful innovation and community building. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Stuart Berman, and I'm at BoardX. And I'm here to make sure that the products we deliver are secure and protect your privacy, as well as produce extreme value. We are seeing early artificial intelligence products being used today to automate repetitive tasks. It inspires creative work, and it's used to mine large data sets in order to improve how these businesses deliver their products and services. Now at BoardX, we anticipate creating virtual assistants that will use artificial intelligence to organize workflows, to summarize and synthesize collected information, as well as process voice commands to reduce the reliance on typing and help with video generation for impactful storytelling. We're also looking at how during one of your sessions you can turn it on so that it listens in and not only transcribes your content, what you're talking to other people about, but it can prompt you with ideas. We're very excited about this, and we hope you join us as we explore this exciting new future. Thank you.
Happy third birthday, BoardX. Usam asked me to reflect on the past and the future regarding design thinking and innovation with BoardX. And first, let me define innovation. My North Star for innovation is finding a new way to do something that is so valuable you never look back to the old. Looking forward, our path to AI is augmented intelligence, where BoardX provides a collaboration partner to do work together, learning, creating, innovating. This is the part that AI has neglected so far. This is where our true value is going to lie in BoardX in the near future, is to bring AI to individuals and teams to be that true collaboration partner, to augment their work together. I look forward to the next years together as we continue to grow BoardX and develop the value and collaboration for everyone.
Hello, I'm Matt Mead, one of the advisors for the BoardX team. I'd like to congratulate you on all your efforts over the past 3 years. Your progress has been so impressive, and you're on the cutting edge of a technology moving at an exponential speed. You've built a team and a technical platform from scratch. That in itself is quite an accomplishment. If you can support human creativity, both as individuals and larger communities, there's no limit to where BoardX will go, and more importantly, the value it will create. So go forward and create this next reality. The next 3 years are going to be quite a ride.
Hi, every BoardXers. I'm from Guangzhou of China. I'm so glad to have been one of the BoardX contributors for 3 years. The reason I joined BoardX is I was inspired by users' enthusiasm in innovation and collaboration. I'm looking forward to growing with BoardX in cutting-edge technology. I wish BoardX will have a great success in the soon future.
Hi everyone, I'm James Duletsky. I joined BoardX because I was inspired by the vision of transforming the future of learning and work with AI. After 20 plus years of working in and around two-dimensional boards in conference rooms and in offices, even starting out on chalkboards, I can see that the technology advancements and the workplace shift have both converged to create the perfect opportunity for a product like BoardX. I know it's time for me to transform how I work and where I work and how I collaborate. And this is just an amazing product. So I'm excited to be on the team. I think if we could all just capture and have 10% of the passion of our founder, I think that BoardX could really do great things and we will all succeed.
Hi everyone, I'm Allison. If I haven't met you, it's nice to meet you virtually. Just wanted to drop a message and say just how proud I am of being involved with BoardX and seeing all of the work that the team has done to get to this point. Everyone's doing a really awesome job and the sky's the limit from here. So over the next 3 years, I think I'm looking forward to confirming market fit and getting some consumers using the platform and scaling up to Usam's target. So looking forward to working with everybody and cheers, onwards.
At BoardX, our goal is to use AI with design thinking to build a digital platform to empower individuals and teams to reach their full potential. If we want to help others, we want to help ourselves first through the problem challenge solving process. The short-term milestone for next step is to reach to $1 million revenue by end of this year. That means a few things. First, the product is quite stable, is more scalable to support more users. Second, we achieve the kind of market fit, so it will be easier for us to develop the second million or $3 million of revenue. Third, so we have some cash to pay to the contributors to pull them to full-time position. And also this will be also a great foundation for us to talk to VCs to get maybe the pre-A or Series A funding. So how you can get involved for next step? There are a few ways. The easiest role you could take is really just to play the end user of BoardX, become the pro user, learn AI, learn design methods from BoardX, apply that to your daily life and daily work. If you like it, share it with your friends. If you don't like it, share with us so we could iterate the products together. So we will need a project owner to run the projects. We also need maybe contributors in those projects. We also have some function leaders. Most of them has the intent to join BoardX full-time. We also have all-in team members like myself. Thank you. Thank each of you. We're here not trying to solve some simple problems. We're here to make impossible possible. We're solving some real challenges.